The story revolves around the Luba Kingdom's struggle to maintain its rich traditions and unity amidst internal betrayal and external threats. King Mukaba faces the challenge of upholding his kingdom's legacy, while his brother, Prince Mumbai, plots to seize power through deceit and manipulation. Princess Amina, with the guidance of Elder Sefu and the support of General Kafele, must navigate through family conflicts and protect her people from the looming dangers. In the southern part of today, DRC Congo, where all you see are thick forests in the horizon and ancient trees whisper tales of old, lies the majestic Luba Kingdom. This is a land rich in traditions, where unity and cultural heritage are the cornerstones of a thriving civilization. King Mukaba, the wise and noble ruler, sits on the throne, guided by the spirits of his ancestors. His vision is to preserve the legacy of his forefathers and lead his people into an era of prosperity. But shadows lurk within the kingdom's walls. Prince Mumbi, Mukaba's own brother, is consumed by an insatiable thirst for power. Deception flows through his veins as he conspires to overthrow the king and claim the throne for himself. The kingdom's unity hangs by a thread, threatened by the very blood that should bind it. Amidst this turmoil stands Princess Amina, a beacon of hope and strength. With her father's wisdom and her mother's courage, she is destined to lead. Guided by Elder Sefu, the keeper of their traditions, and protected by General Kafele's unwavering loyalty, Amina embarks on a perilous journey to uncover her uncle's treachery. As the drums of war echo through the land and the flames of betrayal threaten to engulf the kingdom, the guardians of tradition must rise. Amina's destiny unfolds in a tale of bravery, deception, and the unyielding spirit of the Luba people. Will unity prevail, or will the kingdom fall to the hands of betrayal?